Hi, everyone. Tim Lemoine, Brokerage Manager at Risk and Insurance Associates. Thanks so much for joining us again, bringing to you these weekly marketing videos. Hopefully they're helpful for you. We've got Dave Abel with us again, Wholesaler at Risk and Insurance Associates. Dave, thanks for joining us. Today we're gonna stick to life insurance, but expand a little bit on the old school, right, traditional life insurance sale versus kind of what we're seeing a change in the industry with, and that's adding some living benefits to our sales, right? And bringing some more value to our clients and their families. A lot of the times we need to be the advocates to explain to them what they don't know, bring up things that they might not be thinking about but are important to them. And living benefits is a huge way to start those conversations and add more value to your clients. So Dave, when we talk about living benefits, what exactly are we talking about?
Yeah, so traditionally, Tim, life insurance carriers, these contracts, they will only pay out a benefit in the event of death. However, over the years, recently, carriers have now been allowing policy owners to be able to access the proceeds for other events outside of just death.
Got it. So how does that work? I mean, is that the initial policy design? Do we have to do that up front? Are they inherent in some of these contracts? And what are the triggers there?
So the main events here will be for a terminal illness, chronic illness, or critical illness. Some carriers have all three of those. Others are two or just one. It'll depend on product and carrier. Terminal illness, think of if your life expectancy is shortened. Chronic illness, typically associated with long-term care expenses. You need help with your activities of daily living. And then your critical illness, that's going to be your cancer, stroke, heart attack, those acute instances where you need care for a short period of time that allow you to access a lump sum out of the death benefit.
So Dave, when I see this and in my mind, I think of mom, dad, grandma, grandpa type demographic for that sale. Am I on the right track there?
Not always, no, because I would certainly say with the chronic illness benefits, sure, that's typically advanced ages is whenever you'll be using that type of benefit. But for the critical, like again, the heart attack, cancer, stroke, that can really happen at any time. So I wouldn't just pigeonhole yourself thinking about living benefits just for the older crowd. I think expanding it to anyone that is looking at life insurance, you should approach adding living benefits to the conversation.
Right, and that's why asking about family history is super important when we're talking to our clients, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are we just adding these to like a permanent type product, or are we seeing these a lot with other products that we have?
Yeah, so historically, they've just been available on permanent life insurance products. But recently, there are some of the carriers, they're now adding these on their term contracts, which, again, I mean, term is going to be temporary, so you'll have it for a set period of time. So the chronic illness you may never use because you'll age out of the policy itself. But again, going back to the critical illness benefit, that one, I mean, that could certainly happen within that window, that term duration that you purchase. Whenever you're running your quotes, I mean, these carriers, they're going to be hidden. They'll never be that low cost 1, 2, or 3. They're going to be middle of the pack or towards the bottom. But it's that extra value of the living benefit that may get you that sale for the additional premium.
Right. Yeah, makes a lot of sense. So, all right. I mean, I think we've covered a lot of ground here. And to all of our agents out there, if you need help finding which carriers have these benefits, please contact Dave, contact our wholesale team, and we'll get you this information. Make sure that you're very comfortable in having these conversations with your clients. And even if you're not, get us on the phone, get us on a Zoom call with your clients. We're happy to educate them as well on what these policies can do. Really appreciate joining us on these calls. Hopefully these marketing videos are working out for you. As always, follow us on our LinkedIn page. Go to our YouTube page, subscribe there. You'll see all of our content. And if you're just hearing about us, register with us at riskassoc.com, and we'll connect with you and get you started. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.